My hair is pretty important to me, and I have to admit I spend a lot of time and money on it, and I put it through a lot. Blow drying, straightening, curling, the works. Peter, do you have any suggestions?
Let me introduce to you Pure Vibrance Hair Care with our new state-of-the-art technology. Our Pure Vibrance shampoo and conditioner contains an exclusive Color Last technology that has a unique botanical blend to prevent fading, lock in color, and provide hydration to prevent future breakage.
So no color fading after multiple washes, less breakage, nourished, beautiful hair?
Yes, women can now get the hair they have always wanted with our hair care solution for color-treated hair. Our exclusive Color Last technology and botanical blend, including rice and white tea extract, help protect color from damaging effect and multiple washes and sun. Horsetail and linseed extracts helps provide flexibility and strength to reduce breakage. In addition, Pure Vibrance is pure, safe, and beneficial. Sulfate and paraben-free, contains no artificial colors or harsh chemicals, and is 100% vegan.
Sounds like exactly what I've been looking for. Peter, can you tell me how it works?
Our color care system is love at first use. Luster Fortifying Shampoo is clinically shown to retain 93% of color after 20 washes with single and double process hair color treatments. Fortifying Cream Conditioner that restores and protects hair's natural moisture. Hair Revitalizing Mask is a deep penetrating treatment for distressed hair. It renews strength and softness while keeping color brilliant. Our last product is the Texturizing Mousse to help you manage and create great style while providing supreme protection to your hair color.
Pure Vibrance really feels like the perfect match for me. And as you can see, it's really transformed my hair. The color's richer, it has more shine, and it feels luxurious. Thanks to Pure Vibrance, I finally have the hair I've always wanted. Thanks, Arbonne.